I am full. I've had enough. I've had more than enough. I'm stuffed. I can't eat another bite. I don't like it. I am sick of it. That's not for me. I can't stand it. I am not into it. I am not crazy about it. I am not keen of it. I have had enough of it. I am sorry. I beg your pardon. Pardon. My mistake. My bad. Sorry about that. Sorry. It was my fault. I'm so sorry for being late. I'm really sorry for being late. I'm terribly sorry for being late. Pardon me for being so rude. Please don't be mad at me. I was wrong. Can you forgive me? Please accept my apology. I'd like to apologize for not returning your call. My apologies for the delay. Please excuse my late response. Excuse me for interrupting. I'm afraid I can't help you. I regret to inform you that your application has been denied. Sure. Definitely. Absolutely. Of course. I think so. Yeah, I agree with you. That's right. I couldn't agree with you more. Exactly. My thoughts exactly. Okay. Why not? Sounds good to me. By all means. Okie dokie. Cool. Can you help me for a second? Could you please help me for a second? Can you give me a hand? Could you please give me a hand with this? Can you give me a hand with these shopping bags? They're really heavy. Could you lend me a hand? Can you help me out with this question? Could you do me a favor? Can I ask you a favor? Would you mind helping me? Thanks so much. Thank you so much. Thanks. Thanks a lot. I owe you one. I couldn't have done it without you. That means so much to me. That means a lot to me. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. That's so kind of you. It's very kind of you. I really appreciate it. I'm so grateful. Thank you for everything.